Hi, everybody. It's Dr. Harding. Welcome to week 4 of our class. Congratulations on making it through the first 3 weeks. I know it is a lot of assignments. It's a lot to push through, so hang in there. Reach out to me if needed. I appreciate your efforts thus far. I've really enjoyed reviewing your goals and your vision and just different information that you've shared about yourselves. Makes me wish that we were in person. This week, you will see that you have 3 assignments right up here, first 3, that will be opening on Monday morning at 7 a.m. I have opened these as requested on the same date. They are not all due on the same date. The rewind is due, as you can see, on the 18th, so that's Tuesday night. So you'll have that from Monday morning to Tuesday night. Your SMART goal, take 2, opens tomorrow morning and is due on Wednesday night. And the SparkBook discussion, I think I'll go back in and change the name of that. It's not really a discussion because it's an individual assignment. It will open on Monday morning and it will be due Friday evening. And again, you'll submit that individually. Just for the record, with the discussion board, it can be a little chaotic because some students did not submit the initial post, some did not reply. It was not a good plan on my part to have both parts due on the same date. So I believe I emailed this to y'all, but I'll just tell it to you as well that from here on out, when we have group discussions, you definitely have the initial post will be due earlier in the week and the reply will be due later in the week, to just try to separate the two a bit and ensure a bit more success. Regarding the SMART goal, take 2 assignment, this is asking you to look at my feedback and suggested edits, make the corrections, make sure you understand, and then resubmit. You don't want to move forward with a lot of corrections needing to be made. So that is the reason for that one. I hope it's a good week for y'all. I've tried to slow down the assignment pace a bit this week and help everybody catch their breath. So reach out to me if needed. Again, I'm here to support you and help you be successful. So I hope you have a great week 4 and take good care of yourself. Bye.